Hi everyone, it's Carrie over at Double Click. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I have some happy mail shares. I would like to apologize for the delay in my posting of this video. It is winter in Arizona, which means this is the time of year that we spend outside. The temperatures are in the 70s and it's like during our summer, it's like winter hibernation, but summer hibernation. During the summer months, I spend a lot of time in my craft room, but in the winter months, I'm outside. I love to run, I hike, I camp. We've been out on the motorcycle. I do not have the time that I used to in my craft room. I am trying to find a good balance, so I do apologize for how late this is coming out. This has been sitting on my craft desk for too long, and I have not even been in my craft room at all. I have not had the time. I appreciate everyone's support so much. I've been trying really hard to catch up and keep up on everyone's videos. Thank you guys so much for hanging in there with me. Let's get into these happy mails that I've received. Steffi over at Steffi Creates, and I will have everybody's channels linked down below. She had a giveaway for these holiday wax seals. I do not have wax melts that's Halloween, so thank you so much for those, Steffi. They are amazing. She also makes a lot of acrylic items. She has shared these really pretty acrylic masks. They're so nice. Thank you so much for sharing those. And then she sent this super spooky cute thank you card for entering her challenge. Thank you so much, Steffi. I love all of your handmade items so very much. The next prize was from Enos over at Paper Crafting with Enos. I won this amazing scrapbook and cards magazine. She had a duplicate that she was sharing, and I was a lucky winner, and I am so excited. I love to flip through magazines and get inspiration. Thank you for sharing this magazine with me. And she sent this amazing handmade card. This is so nice. I love this paper so much. And then she did write a nice note to me. Thank you so much, Enos. And she also shared these super cute, spooky, fun socks with me. Creep It Real. These are so fun. I do like to wear fun socks for the holidays. Thank you so much, Enos, for this prize. I appreciate it so very much. I have a box from my bestie, Sharon, over at From Cheap to Chic. Her and I just swap packages back and forth. And let's see what she sent me. I did peek inside because I just could not resist. She sent me these adorable bubble mailers, and these are the summer ones, so this is going to be great for next year's summer vibes. Look at this cute spooky bag. Inside are these so super cute fuzzy charms. Oh my gosh, I love these so much, Sharon. Thank you so much. These are the coolest. Oh, thank you for sharing those with me, and so many. You're so generous. We have some of these beautiful Prima flowers. These are so pretty. Maggie Home stickers. These ones are from Garden Party. Oh, I love the bows. Flowers on the other side. So nice. She shared these inks. We have dark purple and baby blue. Those are nice colors. She also sent me this collection of beads and charms. Look at how cute that is. That is the cotton candy. And we have the colored skulls and some pumpkins and the kitty cat. And we have a whole baggie of them. Thank you, Sharon, so much. You know I'm going to hoard them forever and ever. She sent these really cool flowers that are in the acrylic. Those are perfect for dangles. Let's see what's in this cute spooky bag. How cute this is. I love this. She has this teeny tiny bow, this cute ghosty. She used some of my dewdrop. She sent me some boo hugs. Super cute. Here we have, this is cute, rainbow and clouds, and inside these macaroons that you can add little charms and little goodies to for your pen pals. That's so cute. Thank you so much for those. The hotel keys, these are cool. We have some clear, some of the mint green and the pink. Very fun. She sent these super cute thank you cards, and these are perfect. I will be able to mail my dewdrops out in these cards. These bows, and I think she got these at a crafty yard sale. I do not have these. Thank you so much. We have some clips with pom-poms. Adorable. These are so cute to add to your little journal pages. Some washi tape on a dispenser, which is really nice. The bead cages. These are so cool. I love them. Thank you so much. We have some different types of ribbons. Super fun. This box is so full. Thank you. We have these beautiful pastel butterflies, these adorable daisy charms, these black and white flowers, and we have this super cute embossing folder. I love it. I don't have one like this. So fun. Thank you so much. She did send me some distress oxides, the festive berries, and this is one of the colors I do not have. This awesome collection of Halloween colored beads. I love them so much. Thank you. These really pretty butterfly charms. These are so nice. Thank you. This sweet ghosty and these clay beads. I love it so much. So pretty. I love those colors. She also sent me some Christmas snowflakes just in time for Christmas. We have another little container here. We have some stamps. Make today so good, yesterday gets jealous. So cute. I love this happy birthday one. And then we have this beehive. Super cute. Thank you. Some green beads. This is perfect for Halloween and for Christmas. This is, let's see, a shopping list and notepad set. Let's take a look at this. This is like a full shopping list. And then it has all these cute post-it notes. So fun. This is awesome. I love to make lists. A package of poly mailers. These are super cute. These are also perfect for me to mail my dewdrops. Thank you, ladies, so much for being so kind and generous. I appreciate it so much. I will be sure to link everyone's channels down below. I'm going to add real quick a couple of items that I picked up from a yard sale and from Goodwill. I picked up this bow maker and it was 25 cents. I picked up this Tinkerbell ribbon for 25 cents. I'm just going to put this in my Disney box. This book from the 1970s, and it just has a lot of really cool photos in it. This was only 25 cents. I picked up this super cute notebook. Look at that little plushy cow that's on the papers. I love fun papers, and it had this nice binder. I think I got this at Goodwill for $1.49. Also from Goodwill, I picked up this tag punch. It was $4.49. I did get 20% off. This is the tag that it punches, so you can use this on your journals. This has been on my wish list for a long time, so I was super happy to scoop that up. And then also from Goodwill for $8.49 plus the 20% off, I found the Sizzix. This is the Sizzix cupcake or ice cream cone. You can see here is the cupcake, the ice cream cone. And if I can find a photo of what it makes online, I will insert them here. So we got this one. This one is the turtle. Here's the turtle body, and then you have his little feet and then the shell. Also, this is the circles. There's 3 different circles, and that was for only $8. That was a great deal. And that is my haul. Again, I apologize for being so far behind. I hope everyone can understand, and I appreciate your continued support so much. My Etsy shop is fully stocked with so many fun colors. I hope you will stop by and check them out. Thank you, everyone, so very much. Have a great day. Bye, guys.